Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log a service record using the new service feature on HelferAI Inventory. Let's get started. First, log into your HelferAI Inventory dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to Sales section from the menu. Next, click Add New Sales Record. On the sales entry page, fill in the customer information such as customer name, generate receipt number, the receipt date, and the expected date of delivery. Next, scroll down to the product and service section and click on services. At this point, you have two options. You can either select an already recorded service if you'd like to view or use its existing details, or you can create a new service record. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be adding a new service. Enter the required service details in each field provided. Fill in the service name, pricing information, and any other relevant details as applicable. Once you've completed the service information, continue scrolling down to fill in the remaining details, including point of sale, shipping method, delivery fee, salesperson, outstanding payment, payment method. After that, select the appropriate payment status based on whether the payment is completed, partially paid, or outstanding. Review the information you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Then click Save Changes. And that's it. You have successfully logged a service record on HelferAI Inventory. You can use this process to record and track any service your business provides, helping you maintain accurate records of customers, payments, and service history all in one place. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and our team will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more HelferAI Inventory tutorials and updates. See you in the next video. Bye.